Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the English keyboard layout on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657. So first, what you guys need to do is go over to the menu. Now here we need to go over to preferences, and right here we will have the English keyboard layout. Let's click here. We can change between USA and UK layout. So as you guys can see, now I'll change it to the USA layout and the settings are now configured, and I'll show you guys how to easily change it in the second way. So now here we are at the main page of the site. Let's go over to settings and registration, and here we need to go to display settings. Now as you guys can see, here we have the USB keyboard settings, and here we have the English keyboard layout. Let's click on edit here, and here we can change it back to the UK layout. These are two ways on how you guys can do that. Now just click OK and the settings will be saved. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.